Stainless steel looks great and complements any palette with a large variety of surface textures and treatments provided by Rigidized Metals. Shingles are a nice way to provide an attractive, low-maintenance exterior wall cladding. Stainless steel shingles are elegant, not only in a visual sense, but in a practical solution sense too. They are durable with a high-end appearance. They're economical to fabricate and install. You can cover a lot of square feet with lightweight shingles. They're available in naturally cleaning, hydrophobic surfaces like Enviramat. Additionally, stainless steel is a natural radiant barrier that reflects 94% of the sun's radiation. And stainless steel shingles are very low maintenance. Uncoated hydrophobic surface patterns clean naturally with rainwater outdoors. Indoors, they respond to little or no detergent on a moist rag in order to clean them. They are available in deep textured patterns as well, like the popular 5WL. The sun bombards the Earth with an average of 277 watts per meter squared of solar radiation. An asphalt roof or city street will absorb most of this energy, converting it to heat, which has a negative impact on climate change as well as the urban heat island effect. The best of white paint systems reflect about half of this solar radiation. A dirt-resistant stainless steel surface reflects 94% of the sun's radiation directly back into space. There is a very important opportunity at hand to reduce the planet's temperature in a passive way by maximizing the use of permanent radiant barrier materials, like stainless steel. In order to maintain a temperature gradient of 20 degrees Celsius inside versus outside of a building, a third of the roofing insulation is required if stainless steel is chosen instead of asphalt or a dark painted metal. While the price of insulation may not be that motivating, the reduced construction costs of providing less cavity space or the opportunity to design a building at the highest levels of efficiency can be more easily attained. Shown here is the Bridgestone Tech Center in Akron, Ohio. The building houses the research laboratory for testing new advanced tire compounds and the prototype and quality control engineering offices as well. This building project was designed to reach LEED Gold certification. The goal of this project was to create an inspiring new building that maximizes natural light, thus the saw-toothed design. The main entrance of the Tech Center presents a great visual impact from geometry and color. Limited amounts of painted metal punctuate the design with color, but significant maintenance costs are spared by generous use of naturally cleaning stainless steel shingles. The outdoors is transitioned gracefully to the interior of the building with the continuation of Enviramat stainless steel shingles through the glass into the atrium space. Stainless steel does a great job in this sense because it does not age indoors or out, maintaining the same surface appearance. The naturally cleaning hydrophobic surface chosen in this case makes it that much easier to maintain the same visual appearance on both sides of the glass. This is the original Shore Hotel in Santa Monica. In the remodel, stainless steel shingles were installed on furring strips directly attached to many of these original surfaces, making for an economical yet elegant transformation. This is how the Shore Hotel looks today. Enviramat stainless steel shingles were chosen as part of this extensive remodel. The panels form a handsome reflective facade that changes with the weather from the blue of the ocean to the gunmetal of gray skies. The Enviramat shingles are 1 by 3 feet and form an interlocking pattern that was installed on a 30-degree angle. The system requires tie-ins from the vertical wall to the soffit. No fasteners are exposed, offering a sleek interlocking panel system. The simple use of Enviramat stainless steel as a cladding element has created a permanent upscale appearance at a relatively reasonable cost. Shore Hotel used 28,000 square feet of panels. Fletcher Allen Hospital in Burlington, Vermont sports Enviramat stainless steel shingles and flat lock panels that were chosen because of their exceptional durability and performance. The project was conceived with zinc cladding, but ventilation details that were required in order to reduce the risk of backside panel corrosion would have interrupted the sleek design of the curved auditorium roof. Enviramat stainless steel goes with everything since it is neutral in color, but takes on the colors of its surroundings. This entrance to a Timken steel facility in Canton, Ohio is clad in Veralux stainless steel shingles. The high gloss surface dances in the light as you enter and exit the building. Veralux is hydrophobic too, so it's easy to maintain. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigid Tex Corporation. We are the world leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Our first applications were industrial focused, but soon after we began to serve the architectural, industrial, marine, and transportation industries. Visit us at rigidized.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.